Guys, lovely goodies here. Welcome back into my channel. Today I have a new tips for you. Any type of color into our video, we can change it too. So let's check out my video to set up the any type of color what you have, guys. If you don't have a Filmora9, then you can go and set up your Filmora9 before we upload. Guys, at the beginning, look here. I have a red color in this video. I have 3 types of video. My second is blue color. And my third video is a green color. So we will go and set up these 3 types of colors. Let's go into the first. We click we press a right click and we will go into color correction. Look guys, now I'm inside and I can move any place where I want to know more better the video. Up here, the temperature. You can move it into any place where you want. Look, I move it into the left. Then guys, look, it's changed the color. If you would like it to be like this too, it became a yellow color everywhere. If you wanna do it, we keep like that. We come down into the tent. I will move it into the left. Then this is happen. If I will do it into the right side, then it will be red color too. If you want it to be keep like that, no problem. You can do too. Let's go into 3D land. I will press the icon, then look down here, it's none. We will press the middle cursor and we come down to check any type of color. Look now, I changed. If you want to be like that, no problem. I changed another color too. I come down again, it's changed other color. I change again. So which color what you want, then you will keep as it is. Whenever we upload any type of video into the 3D land, look, I exchange with any type of color. So as you choose, you want to choose about it. Let's come down into the color. At this side we have exposure. Whenever you want to do, maybe you want to make it bright color, or you want to back into other things. Your video too, if you want to do into brightness with any type, then you can exchange it too. Let's come down into the vibrance. It doesn't look properly, so I kept it into brown little bit, so my skin changed more brown color. Saturation, I don't use it, it's too much red. Let's come down into the light icon. All about highlights, all about shadows, if you want, and white. Let's come down into the black. I would like it to be a little bit dark. Let's come down into the next HSL. This is the, I will move it to the left. Then look guys, my clothes color changed, even my lipstick. So anything about on your video which is red color, it will be purple. I move the cursor into right place, then this is it's changed the green color, my red color before, even my lipstick changed too. And press the OK. Guys, I have to cut the video because I choose 2 colors. Then I will just press the scissors, so it will be 2 colors. Second, right click as usual and we will press the color correction. Now we are inside, then we press the icon HSL, a blue color to exchange. So I will move it into the left side. Then guys, look, it's changed green color my clothes. If I move it into the right side, then it became a red color. So let's press the blue line. I will move it into the left side and it's changed a green color. If I move it into the right side, then it will be purple or guys. So let's see the video that I upload, if my clothes color changed or not. Guys, so this is the first clothes what I wear. It's changed. I made it 2 types, green and purple. The other one, the second, which changed green and red. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope my video will help you whenever you upload any kind of video and any color what you want. Also, if you're not subscribed, then please subscribe, because every single week I make a video for you to learn new things, to make some fun.